Guess the last one I need for the collection is a Fluke 76. It's the only meter that's true RMS out of this entire series of meters. And I've seen online too, it's got the 64 division bar graph just like this instead of the 32 like, all of them had. This 79 Series 2 is supposed to be the most accurate out of the series. Now, other, trivia. This 73 Series 3 multimeter, apparently this one's newer. It's got bigger digits than that one. But there is also a 73 Series 3 in the shape of this 179 when them first come out. It has exactly the same specs. It's just in the new form factor. It's just got 2 buttons up here, no backlight, and most of the orange secondaries aren't there. Let's see. What's another thing? The newer Flukes, if you get them and they got that beveled edge going into the input jacks, this is a fake decal. They molded the decal in and then silk screened over it. This is one of the original ones that has an actual label stuck on it. Now these with the label, you can do anything you want. You're not scrubbing and wiping them letters off, but on this one, with the beveled input jacks, you gotta be careful. The silk screen ain't as good as it was on the old one. So if you have jacks that look like that, you have the good one, and the silk screen ain't coming off. But if you've got that, yeah, they're good, but that's a fake label molded in. Whereas this one has an actual label. Like, damn, even this one. Hell, that one's got it. The 77BN. I knew that one did. I knew the 73s did. The 23 Series 2 does. The original 77, I gotta clean that out, has a label. And Thermometer, there ain't nothing multi about this. It does one thing and does it well. Yeah. Well, that's it for our trivia today. Got my little 120 volt power supply. Let's see what 100 volts comes out on 0.1. Oh, that one keeps throwing me off because it's got the wrong number. But let's see. Get this thing down to, I think, 3 volts. Gives us extra numbers with a lot of this. You gotta let it die down. 3 volts. Yeah. 3. See, these with the got an extra digit on them too. Versus the rest. So a 76, 78, and 79 Series 2. I don't know what series that 76 is, the true RMS one, but it'll have a extra digit in it because it's got the same bar graph as this. Hang on. I like just doing that. That's just... This thing, oh, hang on, high res, that's what's screwing me up. Dang. Where are we at? Oh well. Yeah. 3 volts on 3.01. Well, we can back off a little bit. 3. Oh well. Oh. Yeah, it jumps around. This one just stands out alone, don't it? Hopefully that will fit in the bag for my car kit.